Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group. And today, yay, we're going to do another unboxing. Now, this one is from BeeBeeCraft and it's spelled BeeBeeCraft, just like it sounds, BeeBeeCraft. And all the links to the company and the links to all the products that we open up in here are going to be below the videos. Now, the reason I say videos is because there's going to be 3. We're going to have this unboxing, and then we're not going to do anything with the stuff we look at. The next video, 2 videos, are going to be demonstration videos on how to use the products that are inside this bag. Now, the other thing is that it doesn't say BeeBeeCraft on your package when you get it, but the return envelope or the return address is going to be from Inglewood, California, which is where their repackaging is when it comes into the U.S. And so that way you know it's your BeeBeeCraft package. Okay, the other thing is if you would like to do unboxings for BeeBeeCraft and have 100 or more subscribers on your YouTube channel, then there's going to be a link below the video for you, and you can click on that and talk to their marketing department. Okay? All right. So now I know what's in here. Well, I know one thing that's in here. I ordered this about 3 weeks ago, so I kind of zoned out what's in here exactly. And the links are going to be below the video, but I do that after I make the video, so I haven't ruined the surprise for myself either. So let's open this up. See if I can pull it open or if I need to cut it. Nope, I need to cut it. Looks like this end is taped as well. Let's see how we need to do this. I think I can just cut it across the top. I'll have to excuse the camera angle here. Let's see. This is the exciting part. Watching me try to cut the package. It should be enough to get everything out. So I'm just going to pull them out one time, because I don't remember exactly what's in here. Oh, yes, my border punch. That's a little loud, huh? This is a good size. Oh, it looks like everything is in this bubble wrap except for one other thing. Okay. So this is my border punch. And this is the image that's on it. Let's see if I can get it without the glare. Let's take it out. That's why it's called unboxing, huh? Oh, it looks like it got stapled on one corner. See if I can pull that open, and then I should be able to slide this out. Okay, that works. It says Fancy Border Punch, and it's by Kamei Stationery, K-A-M-E-I, and I'm sure I'm not pronouncing that right. Like I said, the link to the item is going to be below the video. So this is the pattern on this punch. And I think that's going to be nice to work with. It'll make a nice border to go along the edge of papers. And we'll, like I said, we're going to do demos of these things in the next 2 videos. This video is not going to be very long. These are my bookmarks, and we're going to have fun with these in the next video. There's going to be one tomorrow, and then there'll be one next weekend. It's possible that BeeBeeCraft may want me to do only one a week. So if so, there'll be one next Saturday and one the Saturday after that. Now these are bookmarks. And the reason I like them, and me see if you can see it better against that black paper. Notice up at this right here, there's a little hole. And I'd like to, whoops, I'd like to make a dangle and put it on here. Some beads and a chain. So I'm going to get that stuff together, and we'll do that in one of the videos. I've never done it before, so it'll be interesting and fun for both of us. The next thing I have here, are some mushroom stamps. Can you see these? We'll probably take a look at these when we look at the border punch. Then I also got these stamps that look like sewing. So we'll definitely do that with our border punch. We'll take a look at it in the same video. We'll probably do these in a video and do this in a separate video. I'll put those together like that. Then I have a metal stencil. Very nice. Looks like there's paper in here. Oh, it's the invoice for everything. And the item codes. Okay, so I'm going to have to keep this. And I'll put the date on it. It's not going to help with you guys. These are just the codes. But it helps me with the pictures. Anyway, so this, maybe the black paper will help me again. Yeah. Look at that stencil. Isn't that nice? It's metal. It's a metal stencil. So that's going to be pretty cool. And I love the trees. I like having, I have, for winter, I have a pine tree. And I use the stencils to put on the backs of writing cards or on stationery that I make to go in journals. And I've been wanting some trees for non-winter, non-Christmas, just to have trees that I can put on the, what was I going to say? On the paper. Save your bubble wrap. I have gotten items from BeeBeeCraft before, and I've really liked them. And these look like they're going to be nice too. And so it'll be fun to take a look at them. And the last thing in here, right? Yep. The last thing in here. Now, this is like pleather, I guess you would call it. Let's see if I can get this open without tearing the bag, so I can put it back in the zip bag. At least I thought it was. Maybe it's a different material. No, I think that's the back side that I'm looking at. I'd like to try, which I've never done before, to make a cover right, yes, it is. Okay, oh, how pretty. It looks like leather, but it's vinyl. Now it does have a smell, but I'm going to let it air out. And then it was rolled up pretty tight, so I'm going to have to straighten this out somehow and flatten it. I think if I put it under some books, I might be able to flatten this out I may cut out the piece the size that I need. I'm hoping to have a project because that'll be 3 weeks from now, and I'm recording this 3 weeks early. So that gives me 6 weeks. If I have a book project that I need a cover for, we'll do that. If not, I may just make a generic 6x9 with a 2-inch spine cover that I can use, you know, for a project that's going to be upcoming or in the future at some point. I don't know. I really don't want to use it up for something that I'm not going to use. So we'll see. We may or may not demonstrate this to make a cover for a book. We'll have to see, because I'm going to definitely have to get this unwrinkled and roll it up in a roll instead of the way that it is. But this is very nice. It's soft. It looks like leather, and it's an off-white color. It may look white on camera, but it isn't. It's like a cream color. Maybe you can tell by the backing. The backing's a little more colored. Let's see here. So you can see, and then you can see that this is not white either. Okay? All right, well, that's everything that came in the package. And we're going to do, like I said, 2 more videos, and we're going to try our things out. And, yeah, that's going to be it for this video. And I will see you in the next video. And that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay, bye-bye. Don't forget to order from BeeBeeCraft because they have some really good stuff. Really good stuff. All right. Thanks a lot and have fun shopping. Bye-bye.